I have seen tougher markets. I just can't remember when. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, the 12th of April. And we had a hot CPI number, which is BS. They came out with 8.5. If this is 8.5, I'll eat your hat, my hat, every hat, because this inflation is somewhere near 20, not 8.5. But of course, the way the imbeciles count, they don't count food and energy as much of a balance out of the inflation numbers. So what do you end up with? You end up with a ridiculous bullshit number. In the meantime, all in all, Dow is up 230 off its highs, but up. And we're long. The Nasdaq's down. Excuse me. Nasdaq is up 240. We're short. S&P is up 50. We're long. Russell's down. Higher 400. They're all higher. Up 400, and we are short. Okay. Look, I would not be surprised if the markets close lower on the day. I'm not predicting. I'm just saying I wouldn't be surprised. But because of the lack of action, lack of volume, and lack of real overall interest, it probably wouldn't happen. But there's certainly a very good probability, or more than 50-50, they'll sell off hard from here. Okay. But we'll see. In the meantime, our positions won't change from a overnight standpoint. In the meantime, crude oil is back towards 100. It's been trading right around 100 pretty much all day. Got up. It's right now 99.88 or so, up about $6. Not a surprise after some serious selling. You figure to see a little bit of a rally, and again, we're still long, so it's all good. Gold and silver gold is above resistance. Silver is slightly below. Okay. Now, is gold breaking out? There's a lot of reasons to believe that gold is going to go higher. Now, we're still short, but it was very close. But I wouldn't be surprised to see gold come back and close under 1960, which is the level we're really watching here anyways. We are at 1970 at the moment. And silver's just under 25.50, which is, again, we're short both. And platinum, which we don't trade, is down again. And we would still be short that as well. Okay. The dollar is flat, and we are long. Bitcoin is slightly higher, and we are short. Copper is higher. We're short after yesterday's big sell-off. It's interesting. Not a surprise, but it is interesting to watch. Natural gas continues to go to Pluto. Okay. And again, this is unusual. Highest prices in, 40 years in natural gas at this time of year. I mean, it's unbelievable. Okay. But again, you got a crappy energy policy with an imbecile in charge, and that's what you get. Okay. I mean, they're worried about draining the Strategic Petroleum Reserve and doing other things to cut down on oil prices. What is wrong with going back to fracking and shale producing? Okay. Like it's going to change the climate. Apocalypse now. Okay. In the meantime, the grain markets are higher. We're long corn, we're long beans, short wheat. In the protein complex, they're also higher. We're short them all. Feeders, hogs, which are up nicely, and not a surprise. Again, but we are long them. We're short them all. And again, they're all higher. But the one that's really higher are hogs, which I said, if you remember on Bubba's Bottom Line, that I wouldn't be surprised to see an up limit move in hogs this week. And it looks like today is going to be that day potentially. Okay. In the softs, cotton is higher, we're long. Coffee is lower, we're long. Sugar is flat, we're long. Cocoa is lower, we're long. And OJ is up once again. OJ is going to have some kind of a pullback here at some point. The parabolic range has been too great. In the meantime, listen, just be careful. If you're going to trade, I'm turning it off. Okay, I'm going to go do some other things. But if you're going to trade today, then just be careful. I don't see much to do. I think I see more trouble than I see success stories. But in the meantime, obviously, it's your money. Do your thing. And don't forget our sponsors, Capital Trading Group. They're on the bottom and up on the sides. But Capital Trading Group, greatest for futures and commodities. Trader brokerage, $10 a month. How can you beat it? And they're going to have cryptos soon. And strategic wealth preservation for metals, the best. All right. And then don't forget about our high school program as well. And in the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.